Hello, so today is the 20th of April. Just spent one night in San Francisco, got another one tonight. I've driven over the Golden Gate Bridge this morning, and I must say it was a little underwhelming to actually drive across it. I mean, to look at it is all nice and stuff, but driving across it wasn't actually. It was a bit underwhelming, a bit smaller than I thought it would be as well. But I can always now say that I have driven across it, so that's one to tick off. But today I'm north of San Francisco. I thought I was going to Muir Woods, which is kind of like a national monument area, but I'm actually further north than that, and actually in a much more isolated place than even that. And like getting here, like the road is pretty much a dead end at the car park, and like the last like couple of miles were like just on a dirt track, so very, very isolated here. And only about like 12 cars in the parking lot. But today I'm actually doing I think the longest walk of the trip in terms of distance. I think it's 22 kilometers, which is I think just under 14 miles, which will take about 6 hours. So it's the longest in terms of distance, but it's not the longest in terms of time, because I think doing the Grand Canyon walk, obviously doing a lot of climbing within that, so that's it longer, whereas this is a bit more just flat and just generally just long and flat. Once again, I mean, that's a massive tree, but once again it could pretty much be in the UK, which I found along the kind of this west coast it's the most like England that the whole trip has been. So yeah, as you can see, still very much on the coast, and then I think even along the beach, and I think there is a waterfall at some point as well, so got that all to look forward to.
From the dark, cold rain pouring in the street light. Oh, I felt love, but I ain't found one that's worth the fight. Maybe it's my mind that's hanging off the deep end, but I lose my grip when I begin to question it. I hear the whispers, devils on my shoulder, stirring up trouble.
So I think you can just about see the mule deer that I somehow just scared. I'm zooming in quite a way. They were somewhere in all of this. I had no idea that they were there. I didn't see them. Suddenly hear a noise behind me and see these deer kind of running away. There's 3 of them. So yeah, now on the beach, got about like 500 meters or so left, maybe a bit more. Basically just have to walk along the beach now. But it has started to rain ever so slightly, but I think it's only predicted for like an inch, so that's fine. But I have also just seen a snake as well. That was like a moment. I didn't quite capture it because it was like I saw the back end of it going into the bushes. But I was like, that's definitely a snake. So that was interesting. I don't want to see too many more of them, to be honest. But yeah, pretty grey, pretty windy. But yeah. Oh, that just came in a lot. Look at that. Trouble Yeah, made it to the waterfall. It's pretty loud, and the sea is looking very rough. Yeah, it's awesome. So I made it to the end. As you can see, it started raining, got pretty wet, but yeah, it took just under 5 hours, and it's like 2,400 calories. Yeah, decent effort. I'm a bit tired now, but yeah, not too bad for 14 miles. And yeah, it was awesome again, so no complaints. I'm very relaxed.